You doing him or Sierra?
Kind of getting a little bit of everybody.
7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I know when I was like you, that whole Columbus thing, they're either rigged or nobody ever really will. They just try to get your name and email so they can, solicit you for stuff and everything. And I put my cell phone number on it, and she goes, so I get this call, and it's like, this is so-and-so from, you were in Columbus recently and filled out a little form. Well, I have to take your, she gives me the spiel, and I'm just sitting there like,
where's the punchline?
exactly, I'm going, you gotta be kidding me. And gave her phone number and the details for this phone number, just call this phone number before I gave me 10 days to call the number. And then if I liked what I heard or was willing to accept the package, then I had this other number to call. And this whole time I'm still like, I'm listening to all this. And it was supposed to be 4 days, 3 nights at the hotel in the Grand Bahamas. And then we have to get, we have to get down to Fort Lauderdale, because it's out of Fort Lauderdale. So besides getting to Fort Lauderdale on our own, then it's the port cost. And then I look up port cost, how much is that? And it's $100. And I'm like, so they're still wanting me to spend at least $100 to get down there and stay there, and then they just have $300. I'm like, so is this really like a free trade? But the more I looked into it and thought about it and read up on the hotels that they were talking about and everything, I'm like, that's a pretty good deal. So I called the number, and they said, yeah, basically to reserve